Hello, today I'm going to show you how to completely format your Nintendo Switch 2 console in case of giveaway or trade-in, or if you have a big problem with the console that should be necessary to perform this. We are going to now settings, then we go down until we reach the system setting. Then we go down to data clear options. Because we have a lot of options now right there in the data clear options, not only the reset function. First step, of course, for troubleshooting or privacy, we can clear the cache. We are about to clear all of our saved IDs and passwords, cookies, history, and other cached websites data. Once cleared, the data cannot be recovered. Of course, this is not so a big deal, but it can be make your a little bit privacy. If another one, for example, use this console, if you are not nearly. Okay, this is a clear data function. Then we have a clear history. Okay, keyboard history data. Once cleared, the data cannot be recovered, of course. That's possible here to delete users' keyboard related data, like data for text suggestion or something else. And over here we have clear microSD cards data. This deletes all the data on the microSD Express card and gets the cards ready for use with this system. That means here we can clearing our built-in microSD card. This, of course, you can only perform if you have entered a microSD card as well. All data are stored on them will be deleted. Backup, screenshots, videos, and other important data we want to save to our personal computer before clearing the microSD cards are possible to perform this. But you are going to format them completely, okay? The other thing is we can go to restore factory settings. And this is the main thing here. All data in the system memory, including software data, save data, screenshots, videos, and user informations, will be deleted, restoring the factory settings. After this process, you can give away, trade in, or what you like to do to another person with that Nintendo Switch 2 console. After restoring the system to factory settings, game data saved on the microSD cards, if it is installed, will no longer be usable, with the exception of the screenshots and videos. Data won't be deleted from the microSD cards, but it does not function anymore, except, of course, the videos and screenshots. Restoring the system to factory settings won't change the system version numbers or wallet back, of course. And the factory that will be delete all user data stored on that system, but the Nintendo account linked to those users will not be affected. That's really important because if you are delete this Nintendo Switch 2 console, your ID, your Nintendo Switch ID is not deleted as well, but only from this a Nintendo Switch 2, of course. But if you get another Nintendo Switch, you can enter your Nintendo ID into that, and then of course you're able to download your apps and so on that console. Your Nintendo account is linked to your Nintendo eShop purchase history and current balance. Sign into your Nintendo account again after restoring factory settings on the system, and we can access to any software or DLC purchased using that account. We may be unable to download any software that is no longer available. Take care of that. And if you are experiencing problems with the system, you can make a hard reset. This is another video, of course. In recovery mode, we can restore the system's factory setting without deleting saved data or user information. To try recovery mode, instead, we cancel this process and turn on the system off. Then we press and hold the volume up and volume down button, and then we select restore settings, keep user data options. Just done. If you go next here, this will delete all data from the Nintendo Switch 2 console and brings you back to the setup. And after you reach the setup, or before you reaches, or before you continue with the setup, you should be switched off the console and give away your Nintendo Switch to console in factory settings. Or of course you can, if you like, to make a new setup as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!